Hey YouTube, just a quick video. Yesterday was my surgery, 6/18. Today is 6/19. One day post-op. I am home. Um, Yesterday, going to the hospital. They did blood work, some labs, and they get you prepped for surgery, which is wasn't really hard, but they couldn't put an IV in me because my veins are like so deep. So they put me to sleep in order for them to put the IV in because it was gonna hurt like real bad. um I wake up, I was in the recovery room, I fell back asleep. There's not much because I don't remember most of anything from yesterday. And anyways, I went to the bathroom to pee. Oh, that was a nightmare. Anyway, I did, and I got dressed. And coming home, my husband was driving, and like every pothole in the street, like it's not much, but every little bumps and everything, uh, make that cut hurt like crazy. The time you talking, driving too fast or going on the brake, everything makes it hurt. Uh, since I get home, all I've been having is pineapple juice. Last night and today I have the zero glitterade, that's sugar free, and I have a half cup of hot tea. I managed to wipe myself off this morning because they said no shower for 72 hours, so I managed this morning to wipe myself off and change my clothes. um Sitting here in this recliner chair is not too comfortable because I'm just sitting on my butt like nonstop. Every time I get up to walk, it's just to go to the bathroom. Uh, the incision on the corner to the right, that thing burns like crazy, like next to unbearable. Whenever I stand up, like if I'm going to the bathroom and I stand up, it burns like real bad. And coming back up off the toilet when I finish pee, it burns like next to it's uncomfortable. And I have my drainage bags on. I'm supposed to record the amount of fluid that comes out into the drainage bag. But so far, I like the way how my stomach looks. I'm in the binder. I can't see where my belly button is at or anything. I'm not going to take it off until day of shower. And I have my drains, and I'm in the recliner, so I'm swollen, but this is my stomach. I don't have a stomach really. Unbelievable. But this is my stomach, and this may freak you out, but these are my drainage tubes, and I have a pin, and they're pinned onto my binder. But this is my stomach. Swollen, but better than before. Yeah. I asked my surgeon yesterday if I'm gonna have dog ears. You know how when you do a tummy tuck, like at the corner, you have those little dog ears. I asked the surgeon if I'm gonna have those. He said he's not sure, but he was trying to make it as flat as possible. But he thinks I should get surgery in the back, and once I get it in the back, it will be corrected if I even have those ears. Um, I am taking my pain meds every 6 hours. Not bad, but I'm hardly sleeping. Like normally people have surgery, come home, they'll be sleeping me. I'm hardly sleeping. I'm just here. I tried to cough this morning. Like I wanted to cough, and boy, that thing hurts. Like the feel like your incision is just gonna open up. So I try not to. So I keep eating my candy, like the cough candies, and I keep my cup here with a straw, make it easier with ice for whatever I'm drinking. They said I could have broth and like Jello, like liquid stuff. So my husband went to the store to get me some Jello, some sugar-free Jello, and chicken broth or beef broth, whatever. So I'm gonna be having that. I mean, I could go back to a regular diet. I think maybe tomorrow, but I'm starting off very light because I'm not really hungry, and I'm still drugged up, but I'm okay. Uh, Going to the bathroom. Today's not so bad, but last night, I went to the bathroom I think 3 times, and that's hard. Guys, I'm not here to stay long. I was just giving you a quick update and just show you what my stomach had looked like. I'll try to make another video soon. Like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification. Subscribe so you guys know every time I post a video to give you an update. Um, okay, guys, I gotta go. Take care.